Today we got a 2016 XTS 4. We are installing the 10.1 inch screen, Tesla screen. I call it Tesla screen or Android system. So in order to do that, I got all this out already. If you want a link to the next, to the how to remove all this, it will take a long time to take it out, probably about 45 minutes to get this out. So I didn't really have a good video out of it, so I'm not going to post any video on how to remove it. Somebody else does. I had a couple guys that did that. So I got all this out. I'm going to take a 7mm out. I'm removing the starting out from, if you look at this way, if you look in the back, this is the left side, not the right. So I'm gonna take the left side first out. And then, once I got that out, there's a metal that came with it. I do need a Phillips. I don't know where they all at. We'll look for it. Oh, right here's one. So we got a Phillips. I'm going to start from the left side. As I said earlier, they got right and then they got the left. So if you flip it this way, that is the left. So I'm going to put the left right here. Put the screw in. And make sure you have like some sort of padding or some sort of cloth underneath this screen right here so it won't damage the screen. And just go easy on this. Don't use too much. You can use your regular handheld. And then same as this, left. I wonder if it's any different on the left and the right here. No, any side use. Oh, okay. The other one's got that groove right here. So you want the non-groove to go on the bottom. You probably noticed that this is my first time also with this model. So I'm kind of installing it, but I'm looking at, I'm going to start at this side too, the right side. And make sure the one with the groove, is that called a groove? Yep. Certain thing I know how to do, but I don't know the name of it, so that's Asian thing, right? We know how to do it, but we don't know the name. Anyway, so got that done. So right now I got the left one. I'm gonna put it on top. If you look right here, I already ran the wire right there. I plugged all the wire, and if you look right here, you're gonna see like this piece right there. This has to go in this hole on the bottom. You want to match it in like that. It should go perfectly like that. And then now all you have to do is use the I'm not sure what kind of screw. They only come with 4 screws on those, so you're gonna have to use the same screw that they come with like this. All you need is 2 of them. Nope, that's weird. Too big. Well, you know what's crazy? This is fine. This is not. I don't know why, but I guess they got it too big, so I gotta find something that will fit. See? It's not. So I'm gonna remove this other side, the right side out. I don't know why it's too big and too small. That's weird. Alright, well, in order to do this without having the right tool, I'm going to use this remote wire or speaker wire. I'm going to stick it in there. I'm going to try to screw it in just like the other one. I guess it's working perfectly fine. Just make sure the rubber is with it. That way it's pulling in like this, like so. So I'm going to do like that. Because I tried to fit it in there, it almost came loose. So this is probably one of the best ideas. Just make it fit. I don't know why they make it so big. I'm doing right now is a sticker right there. I don't want to stick to anything yet. I'm just gonna make it right here. I'm gonna push that in, and I'm stick it about right there. I don't want it too close over there, and just stick it right there, and then snug it in with the plastic. So how I ran the wire, I pry that out, whoop, and run it through here all the way inside and come out straight out here, right here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug all that in, this in here. I got the plug, the phone plug looking like right there, and that's USB. I'm not sure if this is ran back here. I'm gonna have to look. If not, I'm gonna run the USB out here to the glove box. Now, as you can see, I hooked everything up already. I'm not sure it's gonna work. We'll test it. I don't think that the backup camera will work, but I'm not sure if the CAN bus is programmed that way. I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna turn it on. Without knowing will it come on or not, I'm not sure. So I did hook up the GPS, the aftermarket GPS, and all the wiring that come with it. There's only like 3 or 4 wire. I ran the USB down here so we can pull it out and plug it. I tried to use the old one. I don't have a male. This come with a female. I don't know why they built like that. So turn it on. Let's see if the radio come on. Whoop, it does come on, but no sound yet. It looking nice. AC, everything's operational. Oh, it does play. I hear the sound. So, I mean, it's let me see if the volume working or not. Woo, it does work. So it does work. I don't have to program anything, but I'm gonna try to reverse it and see if it works. I doubt the reverse gonna work because it does come with an aftermarket camera, so I doubt it. I'm gonna start it, stepping on the brake while I'm starting this. You know that. It tells you the doors, even tell you the doors open and everything. AC, heating, everything works. But yep, no camera operational. So I'm gonna have to bypass a certain way to get the camera to work because the camera's not working with it. I'm not sure how to get this going yet. So I don't know. I mean, other than that, everything works perfectly. Show you the car, the model, the mileage, the heating. Probably had to set it to woo, look at that. Look at the option. Oh, can't see. I have to show you later on that one. Turn on the heat. On. Get the fan up. Oh, it's perfect. It is awesome. But no camera. So let me call the customer, see what he want to do. I'm gonna try to figure out if I could make it work a certain way, if I can bypass it. I doubt it. I'm gonna check. It is nice though.